What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Curvy African Planner, also known as Shamiza, and welcome back. Today I am in my planned and proper coil-bound horizontal layout planner, and this is my reading planner or reading journal for 2023. So let's jump right into decorating that first week of January. I'm so excited. Okay, so I haven't yet decorated this section. I will, but I wanted to get into this first. So today's stickers are brought to you by Bookish, by the Happy Planner. And honestly, the reason why I'm using this is because my planner bestie Morgan over at Mo Plans gifted me this a few months ago. I think it was like last year actually, and I never really used it. And there's like a cute little note in here that says, "I hope you smile every time you use any of these stickers." And it's so true, because I totally am smiling like a little schoolgirl. So thank you, Morgan. Okay, so I'm going to do something that I probably never have done before, but I really want to focus on reading this year, and I really want to get back into reading. I loved reading growing up, and then life just got busy and I never did it. So I really want to get back into it, and I really want to commemorate it. I want to like document it and just, you know, make it look all pretty and functional and useful. So I am actually going to be a part of 2 different book clubs. One of them I'm gonna try doing on Audible, and the second one I'm gonna do like with the actual book. So I am really excited for it. I think we're gonna find out what the Audible version of the book is gonna be sometime soon. I'm a little ahead with planning this before this comes out. Like, I'm doing this still in 2022. You guys are watching it in 2023, but just head on over to my Instagram and you'll see the updated book choice. So let's jump right in. Okay, so I went ahead and already pulled out a few things. I got really excited and started decorating before I was recording, and then I had to go back and like pull them all off, because I was like, oh no, I actually need to record this before I start laying the stickers down. So yeah, I had to go back and just I just had to pull them all up. And honestly, like, it didn't ruin my stickers or anything. So I was really impressed with the paper in this planner. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is I want to read a little bit every single day, whether it's like 15 minutes or whatever. Like my goal is 15 minutes a day, either first thing in the morning or right before bed. Probably first thing in the morning, because when hubby is home in the evening, we either like watch a TV show together or something, and we kind of end our night together. So I don't want to be away like reading a book. So I'm probably going to include reading in my morning routine. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I just took my Uniball Signal white gel pen and wrote over, or like colored in the notes section. And I think with me reading, I think what I'm gonna do is I want to either like write down a few things that happen like throughout the book. So it could be like something I found interesting, maybe guessing what's gonna happen moving forward. I don't know, like there are so many different things that I can jot down in this planner. So I'll kind of just take it as it goes and just see how creative I feel in the moment when I am, you know, writing stuff in the planner. I also am, so let me see here. I'm going to do a different one here, then this one, and we'll do this one here. There's also a little section, oh, that was perfect, in this, on the sides here. Like, again, I've never used a horizontal planner before, so I'm not sure like what is going to come about it. So I'm going to, like I said, take it by ear and just go with the flow. See how it all pans out. If I need to use this to write, I will. If not, maybe I'll write down like some interesting words that I've learned, or I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly, you guys, this is the first time I'm doing it. So if you have any tips and tricks on like what to include in this, please hit me up in the comments and let me know how you guys maybe use your reading journals. But I want it to be creative. I want it to be fun. I don't want every week to look the same. And I've done some research, and like, you can obviously make it super creative. So that's exactly what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on making it as creative as I possibly can. Okay. Let's do this down here. These are super cute. I am so obsessed with this washi. Yeah, so that's my goal. But I don't have a goal on how many books I'm gonna read, because I don't want to do that to myself. Every time I do that to myself, I get super overwhelmed, and then I end up not reading anything at all, which really sucks. So I am just going to take it by ear and not give myself too much to like stress about. And I want this to be fun. Okay, so now that I have like tons of color in here, I pulled out some of these quotes we can use. And actually, we'll just kind of layer the quotes over here. Like I said, next week, if I end up needing to use these sections, then I'll know not to cover them. And then, because I said I'm going to try and read 2 books at a time, maybe I'm thinking I will do like 1 book a day, and like write about one different book a day, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully they're like both interesting. I don't know. And hopefully this looks, I like it. I think it looks cute. I like the colors. I'm just going in here and maybe looking for one more quote I can use. Actually, no, I want to use this. These little girls are so cute. I'm trying to use up my stash and actually use up what I have, versus like just continuing to buy new stickers all the time. New sticker books, more sticker books. I know my husband will thank me for that. I need to add a little doggy. Just a little doggy. Can have him here. Just taking a little nappy nap. And then I'll put a little cat up there. Just like that. Cute. I like it. A lot of inspiration that I've been getting from is Deb over at Big Plans with Bug. She has, like, she creatively uses her journals, every single planner that she uses. I'm so obsessed with the way she uses them, and I tell her that all the time. But she also had like a reading journal. I also got the 52 lists of happiness idea from her, because she did that for 2022. So when you have a moment, do check her out, because you definitely won't regret it. But she just has like the coolest ideas on like things to do with her journals, and I'm like obsessed. So I do pull a lot of my creativity from her, a lot of inspiration actually, not creativity, but a lot of inspiration from her. And then I'm just gonna use these cute little things here that just say like enjoy life. One that says favorite, doesn't have to be straight. One that says reading. Oops. Okay, awesome. I'm really actually digging the way this looks. I was a little worried about it in the beginning, but I am loving it. All right, so maybe I'll just add like, I can add it down here. I can cut off the little piece at the bottom. Just like so. Okay, cool. I don't think there's anything else I want to add. I'm just going to double check one more time. Make sure there isn't anything else in this book. There's this cute little book lover sticker that I'm going to add like right over here. Okay, cool. I think that's it. That is the finished spread. Okay, let's take a look. I am digging it. I really like it. This is the first time I've used a coil planner, so I'm really excited about how this is going to turn out. Awesome. Well, if I've done this video justice, please do give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that post notification button so that you guys know every single time that I upload. And remember, you do you, boo. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.